Hi guys, I'm Subha Rajput and here with me is lovely Pooja Goel, and I'm here for my friend's wedding in Delhi, and this beautiful makeup is done by Khoobsurat by Pooja Goel. They have four parlors in institutes, right?
Salons.
Yeah, 4 salons in Delhi, Paschim, Vihar, Model Town, Shalimar, Bagh and Rohini. So I don't know much about Delhi, but thank God I found her because she's done a great makeover. I don't try to experiment a lot because I am very scared, but she was like, no, let's do it. And I'm very, very happy, and I'm sure that whenever I come to Delhi, I'm gonna call her for my makeup. And if you are in Delhi, you're lucky enough, go call her and just give it a try. And also, she told me that she does everything related to hair and skin, like permanent makeup, hair, skin, right?
They're into treatments also. Yeah.
Treatments as well. So guys, a big shout out to Khoobsurat by Pooja Goel. I think